Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you two brand new Athena cylinder kits for Yamaha YZ F 450. The standard bore version has been designed to provide the same durability and reliability as the stock kit. This means you install this kit on your bike and get the same performance as the OEM components, but at a super competitive price. On the other hand, the bad boy, a big bore cylinder kit bringing the capacity close to 500cc, delivering something like 6 HP more than the stock version. No need to work machining the crankcase, just replace the old cylinder and go. They both include Athena's core products, the aluminum cylinder, a matching piston, and the gasket kit to install everything properly. Both kits are available in our online store athena.eu, or you can use the dealer locator to find out where's the best shop next to you.